Do you want to add hyperlinks to your website like these, but not sure how to do it or how to manipulate them? Let me show you in less than 5 minutes. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so hyperlinks. We all know what they are. They're links to other websites, other parts of your blog or web page, and they're useful for navigation around the site, giving a good balanced flow for your users. So, how do you do them in WordPress? Well, we have an example on the screen here, and I'm just going to show you how to change plain text into a hyperlink. So, you'd highlight the text that you wish to create the hyperlink, and then follow the arrow up to the top of the screen and you'll see this link here. It also works with Ctrl and K, as you can see on the screen. So go ahead and click that. That'll then bring up the options for you. Click edit, then you can put in the text you wish to hyperlink. In this instance, we'll go with this website. And there we go. Now we have a few more options. I'll go into detail about these options in later videos, but as a beginner video, the main option you'll want here is open in new tab, and you either want to have that enabled or not. So if you don't enable it, your user will be taken away from the web page to your hyperlink, which in some cases is not ideal, as they're taken away from your website to that hyperlink and then possibly never return. If you add the open in new tab, that brings up the web page as a separate tab in your browser. And I think that's more useful because you have your web page still open in the background and the new web page open in the background. They can close that tab, your website will still be displayed, which obviously has its advantages that you're still engaging with the user. However, you'll notice that the text in the background hasn't changed. And that's because that's still plain text. So even though it says example.com, it will still take you to the sitesorcery.com website. If you want to change the text in the background, you're going to have to click out of that box and go ahead and change it here. And there we go. So now the text there is changed, and it will also take you off to the website that you've specified. Okay, so how do you remove the hyperlink? Click on the text that you want to remove the hyperlink from. Go back up to the link at the top there. Click it again, and that removes the hyperlink. Simply editing the link address won't remove the link. You'll just have a blank link. Okay, so that's hyperlinks in its basic form. Don't forget, click below in the description. There's a free guide in there that'll help you kickstart your website. It's got a checklist in there, all the things you need to do before you launch. It's totally free. Go and grab a copy, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video was useful, please just give it a like. It lets me know that we're on the right track. Thanks very much. Bye for now.